Safety first, sanitization must. This is the new norm. Gibitronic introduces a simple disinfection device which can be used for sanitizing nearly everything, starting from food, laptops, mobiles, personal protective equipment, even surgical equipment in a very short time. Before we start the demonstration, a couple of points we would like to emphasize. UV sanitization normally happens with UVC light of wavelength 254 nanometer. This small wavelength enters the very small cell bacteria, viruses, and fungi and destroys their DNA, thereby inactivating them and sanitizing the materials. UVC light is dangerous. It can cause skin lacerations and skin cancer. It can cause irreparable damage to your cornea. Do not use UVC light for open disinfection. Do not try to bypass the safety system in our product. Most metal or mirror type reflectors with shiny surfaces absorb UVC light. Nearly 70 to 80% of the light is absorbed, and only with specially designed reflectors can we achieve reflection within the chamber. The UV Coven we have developed is a smart microprocessor based system with an LCD based man machine interface which can detect faults in the different UV lights inside the cabinet. The smart interface allows for easy operation and quick fault resolution. Specially designed UV reflectors inside the cabinet allow for multiple reflections. Yes, our reflectors are not shiny, they are white. Good reflectors in the visible spectrum are not really effective in the UV spectrum. These specially designed reflectors ensure multiple reflections of UV light within the cabinet so that each and every corner is well illuminated with UV light. We are using 12 numbers of 11-watt UVC germicidal lamps within the system, and they are placed 5 on the ceiling, 5 on the base, and 1 on each of the sides. Please be careful while putting the materials to be sanitized within the coven. Please make sure you don't damage the lights. Okay, so let's start the sanitization process. Open the door and put the materials to be sanitized into the cabinet. Take care so that no material is placed over another and there is space between the equipment to be sanitized. Simple, isn't it? Then close the door and select the operation mode. There are 4 user-defined cycles. 10-minute cycle, these are meant for PPE and surgical equipment. PPE and surgical equipment should be kept only at the center, mask should face down as shown. 8-minute cycle is when the cubicle is totally filled. 6-minute cycle is meant for laptops and mobile phones. Please remember to switch off your mobiles and laptops before sanitizing. 4-minute cycle is meant for sanitization of food items. Users can select their own desired time setting up to 15 minutes through the man-machine interface. We are using only one switch, rather large in size, so that it can be easily cleaned. After selection of the desired cycle, just long press greater than 3 seconds and the sanitization cycle will start. During the sanitization cycle, the system will show if all the lights are functioning okay. If there is any fault within the system, it will be clearly enunciated as shown. In between, if you open the door, the lights will automatically switch off, so you are safe. For killing viruses and bacteria, effectively a UV dosage of anywhere between 540 to 2000 millijoules per centimeter square is required. While using our system, you can be rest assured that you will get this irradiation depending upon the cycle selected. Please see the UV readings within our system. See the high levels of UVC irradiation. The irradiation levels will vary at different locations within the cabinet, but we have tried to maintain an average irradiation within the system. Once sanitization is over, please feel free to open the cubicle and take out your equipment and be free to use, safe from viruses. And various UV disinfection systems are available in the market. Please check the irradiation levels in these systems and compare with ours and see the difference. Be safe, stay safe. Thank you.